Hello class, we want to discuss real numbers and one thing about real numbers is that real number is a subset of complex number, meaning that if this one is a complex number, now this we will have the real part and the imaginary part. So that means the real part of it is what we call the real numbers. Then the complex side, everything combined together make it a complex number. So that is to say a real number, in other words, is a subset of what a complex number. But note, all these ones are not under complex number. Now under that real number now, the number that I want, for example, if I say square root of -1 is not a real number because it's a complex number. You understand me? And because you can have what 2 plus square root of -1. This part is a real number. This part is complex number. I can write this one as 2 plus I, because I is known as what? My square root of -1. So in that case now, if you now see 2 plus I, the 2, what does it represent? 2 is a natural number which is all under what? Real number there. Then this one is a complex number. All together is a complex symbol. So all together we now what? Have it as what? Complex number. So that is just that. Now, no, let me come from here. Now, majorly now, look at the word. We have a rational number and irrational number under numbers, under real numbers. Then under rational number, we have the word non-integers, which are non-integers. Then we have what? Under integers, we have what they call negative numbers. Then we have whole number. Whole number now is what? Having two types now. 0 is under whole number. Then natural numbers are also under whole number. But let me pick it one by one. Let's talk about natural number. Let me start from that one. Natural number. So natural numbers are set of numbers encountered in mathematics, in our world, our everyday life. So we call them the what? Counting numbers. The counting what? Numbers. That's what we call them. There are first set of numbers that first exist before other people are used to, before other numbers. Like when we say counting numbers, we are talking about, let me use the symbol n as natural number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me stop at 9. Now, for example, now these are what? Counting numbers. There are numbers we use even in our basic knowledge of understanding maths. That was what they would introduce to. Now, these are natural numbers. Now, you don't forget that natural numbers are equal to what? Integers, positive integers. So natural numbers are positive what? Integers. They are positive integers. What I mean by that is that they are equal. If you check this chart, notice that I said positive integers are also what? Natural number. If you check, all these numbers are positive or true. They are positive. Then natural number are not whole number. Natural numbers are not whole number. Whole numbers will include 0, although they are very close. because it's just only one number that is separating natural number from whole number now. So only one number, but that one number counts. So we cannot just say they are what? Natural number. No, it cannot. Then you can also say that natural number is a subset of what? Of integer. Natural number is a subset of integer. That means that integer is comprised, look at it, under integer, that's where you can find natural number. So natural number fall under what? Integer is what? A subset of integer. Why integer is what? A superset of natural number. Take note of that terminology very well. When we say something is a subset, meaning that, for example, if I give you 2, 4, and this A set A, for instance, and I give you B as what? 3, 4, 5, for instance, or 2, 4, 5. That is B now. I give you 2, 4, 5 for B. Now, if you check B very well, you notice that B has 2 and 4 inside, and still have an additional what number. That is to say, we can now say B is a superset of A, while A is a subset of B. So, because B has a number that A has on everything, it has an additional number. So that means that you can find A inside B. That's what I mean by subset of the number. I think I've explained that so that you guys know miss that language, subset. So we can find N inside Z, which is a natural number. Don't forget, Z has, it comprises of what? The positive integer, the negative integer, and 0. The positive integer, the negative integer, and 0. So that is what you experience in what? In when you say integer, 3 numbers. But we are coming there. So that is just that. Now, integers, when we say natural number is a number that is, when we talk about closure, the closure properties of a natural number. We are talking about a number that is what? When you operate about 2 numbers, for example, when you operate 2 numbers, let's say A operates B, it should give you what? C. Where C will also be a natural number. That is to say that what? A, B, C, comma, should be element of a what? Of a natural number. So that's what we call a closure property. That is to say that A operates B. Operation of B can be either what? It can be plus, it can be minus, it can be division, it can be multiplication. There are 4 operations of that particular word symbol. It can be either be plus, it can be minus, it can be division, and it can be what? Multiplication. So there are 3 things you must know about this symbol. So A operating B should be equal to C, where C will also be a natural number. I believe that one is clear now. Now let me give you a shortcut. The shortcut is am. Everybody say am. So am means what? That natural numbers are closed. I think this is where I'm going to end it. Natural numbers are closed under what? The operation of addition, which is A, and multiplication. Now, when we say natural numbers are closed under the operation of addition and multiplication, which is the last part I'm going now. Now, look at the board for this natural number. Now, when we say natural number are closed under addition and multiplication, I mean if you have 1 plus 2, it give you 3, abi? Now, 3 is part of the number 2. If I say 2 times 4, is 8, abi 8 is also a natural number. So that means it must not go out of the number, the set of natural number, even when we are operating two number. So a closure property is a property in which two elements are operated to give another element, in which all the elements are sets of the main element given to us, the main what element of the set involved or considered. So that is just that. So this is what two operation of the two number to give another what number that is also part. So 2, 4 and 8 are part of the natural number. If you say 10 times 12 is what 120, 10 and 12 are part of natural number, when they will not give 120, which is also a natural number. So I think I will stop on natural number here, which is part 1 of this video on numbers. So we continue for part 2 next time. Thank you.